Think and grow rich. 3 words that have changed the lives of millions. Not just about money, but mindset. Not just about wealth, but purpose. In this video, you'll discover 13 life-changing principles from Napoleon Hill, and why your success depends on mastering them. 1. Desire. Everything starts with a burning desire. Not a wish, not a vague hope. A deep, unstoppable obsession. The kind that keeps you up at night and wakes you up in the morning. You must want it so badly, it becomes non-negotiable. 2. Faith. Believe. Not when it's easy, but when it looks impossible. Faith is not about hoping something will happen. It's the conviction that it already has, and you're just catching up. What you believe, you become. 3. Autosuggestion. Your thoughts are your script. Every single day, you're programming your mind. Autosuggestion is the act of feeding your subconscious on purpose. Repeat your goals, write them, say them, breathe them, until your mind believes they're already yours. 4. Specialized knowledge. Don't try to know everything. Know something deeply. It's not general knowledge that makes you rich. It's focused expertise applied with intensity. Choose your lane, then own it. 5. Imagination. The world belongs to creators. Ideas shape reality. What you can imagine, you can manifest if you act on it. Never stop creating in your mind. Your future is waiting for your vision. 6. Organized planning. Dreams without plans are just daydreams. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Take your idea, break it down, write the steps, then move. A goal becomes real the moment you organize around it. 7. Decision. Indecision is the enemy of greatness. Successful people decide quickly and clearly. Why? Because doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Make your decision, then make it right by committing to it. 8. Persistence. Every failure is a test. Will you keep going when it gets hard? Most people quit. The successful? They adapt, adjust, and keep swinging. Persistence is the invisible line between average and unstoppable. 9. The power of the mastermind. Who you surround yourself with defines your altitude.